Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the cloud sync error in the Steam application in 2025. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so there are several possible solutions to this issue. Let us start with possible solution number one, and that would be to check if the cloud sync feature is enabled for a Steam account. To do that, navigate to Steam in the top left corner in your Steam application and click into Settings. Inside your settings or Steam settings, guys, navigate to Cloud here and make sure that Enable Steam Cloud here is enabled. If you accidentally disable it, guys, simply toggle it back on. Option number two would be to check if the Steam servers are currently online or if they may be experiencing issues. To do that, guys, simply navigate to your favorite web browser and here on Google type in Steam server status and select one of these options. I usually check the Steam server status on that side here. So what you want to do is here simply check the status of the given Steam server, like for example the Steam community or for the web app API and so on and so forth, or for the given region here to the right. And if you don't see any issues displayed, guys, for example any performance or connection issues, and if everything is set to normal, we can rule out that as a possible explanation as well. So let us continue with option number three, and that would be to restart the Steam application. And I don't mean just clicking into Steam in the top left corner and selecting exit, because you will need to end or close the process of each Steam application running on your device. To do that, navigate to your device's task manager, and here under processes simply find this process here, Steam 32-bit or the one for your device. Right click into it and end the entire process, and after that Steam will shut down entirely on your device and you'll be able to restart it fresh and new. That's option number three. And option number four would be to repair your entire library here in Steam. For example, if any game features any corrupt files that might be causing that cloud sync error issue, guys, this is how you can repair your entire library on Steam. Again, click into Steam in the top left and navigate to Settings, and inside your Steam settings navigate to Library to the left. And what you want to do next, guys, is of course navigate to Storage, not to Library, I'm sorry. And here simply click into these three dots and select Repair Library. Confirm that on the next page, and after that Steam will ask you to conduct or for permission to conduct that repair and restart, and it will after that repair your entire game files here. That's option number four. And the last option, guys, would be to verify the integrity of the game that might be causing that cloud sync error issue. Let's say, for instance, it's that game here. Simply right click into it, into your menu here, over your mouse over properties, click into it, and inside your game settings and navigate to installed files. And what you want to do here, guys, is simply conduct the integrity verification of the game files, just like that. And after that, the given game will be going through integrity verification process with the progress here to the right. And of course, depending on the file or a game size, it may take up or it may take a few moments, guys. As you can see, we'll see the progress here at the bottom. Simply wait for the verification to be finished, and after that it should fix the issue. If it didn't, guys, please let us know in the comments down below which one of these options did fix the issue for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.